Good morning. Today is Thursday, September the 30th, 2021. We're having shepherd's pie with cornbread, I think it says, chicken wrap, Asian chicken salad, carrots, steamed veggies, and fruit. Lunch, I have a compliment for you. From what I can tell, you're walking in lines to the lunchroom, and that's going pretty well. So thanks so much for when you guys go out of the classroom with your teacher to the lunchroom. From what I can tell, it's going really well. There are a couple of things that aren't going so well, and that is when you come in, there are dark blue tiles. I forgot to take a picture of it so I could show you. There are dark blue tiles on the outline of the cafeteria. That's where you should be standing in line. You should be on the dark blue tiles making a line on both sides of the cafeteria lines where you get your foods. So today we had quite a big mass of students. We should not ever have a mass of students. It should be a line, and you can stand by the person you want to and talk to them and that kind of thing. But we're not waiting for kids. We're getting in line, and if you already have arranged what table you're going to go to, it's not that big a deal. Go through the line, and then you know your friend's going to come and sit with you at whatever table you guys have talked about. So get in line quickly on the dark blue tile lines and stay on the dark blue tile lines. Move to your fourth period teacher's assigned table at 12:36. You seem to be doing better at this. Moving when we blow the whistle, we do the 1, 2, 3 move. You seem to be doing better at this, so thank you. What we need you to do is get to that fourth period teacher's table and sit down. So go ahead and get over there and have a seat quickly, because sometimes teachers are coming in and we're still moving, or there are kids walking around. So we need you sitting at your fourth period teacher's table. This is one thing that we're having some trouble with. This is walking in a line back to your fourth period class with your teacher. So we are going to be putting some new things in place if you can't get this kind of tightened up. So think line back with your teacher. They go to the 1, 2, 3, and you're walking with your teacher. Anyone who is not with your assigned teacher and you're going off talking to this person or that person, which you already did during lunch. You already sat with your friend that was from another class during lunch for almost 30 minutes. So there's no reason for you to have to go to talk to somebody else from another class. You need to get with your class. You need to walk in the line. If you are not with your fourth period teacher, going back to class to get settled down and started back into your class, fourth period, if you are not with your teacher, then you can be considered or will be considered out of area. So stay with your fourth period teacher. So let's talk about masks. The mask you wear on your face, if they're not mandatory, which means it's voluntary if you want to wear one. Whatever you and your family have talked about in your home and decided, that's probably what you should do. If they are wanting you to wear a mask at school, it's probably a good idea. You'll notice I didn't wear a mask the first couple weeks of school, and now I'm wearing one all the time because I'm concerned. Even though I'm vaccinated, I'm concerned about, carrying it or spreading it or whatnot. So it's up to you though. It's not mandatory. You do not have to wear a mask. If you are choosing to wear a mask, then you need to bring one with you, please. Wear the mask to school or carry the mask to school and put it on when you get to school. We are giving out a mask to kids every day, the same kids sometimes every day. We're giving out 2 masks in one day to some kids. So you guys need to figure out what is it you want and talk with your family so that you can bring the mask that you're wanting to wear on a daily basis with you, because we're running out, and we order more, like we'll order more, but I don't know if we're going to go a few days or a couple weeks, or I don't know if we're going to have enough. Because we kind of can't, we're having trouble keeping up with how many masks we're giving out every day. So masks are not mandatory, they are optional. So please bring one if you are planning to wear one. Thanks so much.